Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into two popular portable dishwashers, the Midea MDC22P1ABB and the Silonn countertop dishwasher. Both are designed for compact living spaces, but they offer different features and functionalities. Let's explore their specifications, pros and cons, to find out which one is better suited for your kitchen needs. The Midea MDC22P1ABB offers a capacity of 6 place settings, making it suitable for larger households or those who entertain frequently. In contrast, the Silonn countertop dishwasher accommodates only 4 place settings, which may be limiting for families of 4. If you often have a full load of dishes, the Midea could be the better choice. When it comes to washing programs, the Midea leads with 8 different options, including specialized cycles like speed and baby care. The Silonn, while still effective, offers 6 wash programs. This variety in the Midea allows for more tailored cleaning options, which can be particularly beneficial for different types of dishware. In terms of portability, the Silonn countertop dishwasher is significantly lighter at 14.4 kilograms compared to the Midea's 25.28 kilograms. This makes the Silonn easier to move around, which is a crucial factor for those who may need to transport their dishwasher frequently, such as RV users or those in small apartments. In conclusion, both the Midea MDC22P1ABB and the Silonn countertop dishwasher have their strengths. The Midea is ideal for those needing more capacity and wash options, while the Silonn excels in portability and ease of use. Consider your specific needs to make the best choice for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.